eyes are bleeding. There's so many people getting out right now. This is so scary. There's so many people getting out right now.
Thank you very much. Drive safely.
I got it. I just lost my dad. Okay.
Friend us on Facebook.
We're going to go that way.
So many people. There's like a stampede of people. Piggy! Hi! Hi! Another person. I just heard another person scream, Piggy! Right after I did.
Don't look it over there.
Still like a stampede of people. It's just really dark out, so it might be a little hard to see, but what just happened?
That's the fire hydrant.
Oh, somebody just hit a fire hydrant. Wait, did somebody just hit a fire hydrant? Oh, that's crazy. A truck just hit a fire hydrant. That car right there is the person who hit the fire hydrant. It's that car right there. Man, I just went to see their dent. They got a big dent. Their dent is so big. They have a huge dent. That's going to cost like $500 to fix. Okay, so now there are lights here, so it's probably easier to see. We've escaped the stampede of people. There's still like a little aftershock part thing where there's still a couple of people coming back. It's a little aftershock. No, it's because I met like my friend, but took us like 20 minutes to find him. No, because we were on the call. So we were like, meet me at the red truck at the beach. And he's like, I'm at the red truck. And then they're like, it's no red truck. And then, oh my God. And then he's like with his uncle or something. So then I'm like calling him. We're like on the phone. So we're like, I'm going to scream your name. Tell me if you hear me. So then I scream a name. But then a random guy said, I can hear you. Stupid.